Hi everyone, my name is Dennis Merald and I am the Educational Director for the Hat Not Hate campaign.
Hat Not Hate is an anti-bullying campaign that I started a few years back.
A year ago I joined the Hat Not Hate campaign with the idea that together we can work to help end bullying.
Being a brand ambassador in the yarn industry, I wanted to find a way to end bullying but also include makers. And then I thought about hats. And that's why we have the name Hat Not Hate. When you unravel the E of hate, you have a hat. And that's what I've asked makers around the world to make for me, for you. A blue hat because blue is the anti-bullying color. And now one of my friends is going to tell you what Hat Not Hate means to them.
This is the Crochet Boss Maurice Green, UFC heavyweight, stopping in just to tell you what Hat Not Hate means to me.
Hi, I'm Brittany Levine. I'm a style and trend expert that goes on a lot of your favorite morning shows like Today Show, Good Morning America, Wendy Williams, talking all things style and fashion.
Hey, I'm Dr. Mikey Fowlin. I am an actor, I'm a poet, I'm a psychologist, I'm a motivational speaker, but more importantly, I am a fellow traveler with you in this life.
Hat Not Hate means a lot to me. It's a campaign that is trying to make people aware of what's happening in the world, like how people are getting bullied or in school, on the computer, like everywhere. And I'm happy that they're here trying to make a change.
Today you're going to have the opportunity to have an experience in a virtual assembly. The virtual assembly will teach you about the Hat Not Hate campaign. We'll explain to you what the blue theory is, and hopefully we'll motivate you to get involved in your school, in your community, and in the world to work collaboratively to help stop bullying.
You can find out more information about Hat Not Hate at hatnothate.org. And remember, every hat makes a difference.